America used to make things, lots of things. From the early 20th century through the post-war boom, American factories were the heartbeat of the nation. Cars, clothes, toys, you name it. These products were symbols of American ingenuity and hard work. We were pretty good at it. But then things changed. Companies wanted cheaper labor, they found it overseas, factories closed down, jobs disappeared. The once thriving industrial towns turned into ghost towns almost overnight. This wasn't just about economics, it was about communities, about livelihoods. Families who had worked in these factories for generations suddenly found themselves without a source of income. About the pride of building something with your own two hands. The craftsmanship and dedication that went into every product were unparalleled, and it left a real hole in the American story. The empty factories and deserted streets are a stark reminder of what was lost. We became reliant on other countries. Our manufacturing base shifted to places where labor was cheaper and regulations were less stringent. For our clothes, our electronics, even our medicine, the labels on our products started to read, "Made in China," "Made in India," and so on. This dependence makes us vulnerable. When supply chains are disrupted, it affects everything from the availability of essential goods to the stability of our economy. What happens if those supply chains break down? The consequences can be severe, leading to shortages and economic instability. We saw a glimpse of that during the pandemic. It wasn't pretty. Empty shelves, long lines, and a sense of uncertainty became the new normal. Enter Donald Trump. With his signature subtlety, he slapped tariffs on goods from China and other countries. These tariffs were meant to protect American industries and reduce the trade deficit. The idea? Make foreign goods more expensive. By doing so, the hope was that American consumers would turn to domestically produced items, bring jobs back to America. The vision was to rejuvenate American manufacturing and create more employment opportunities for American workers. Did it work? Well, it's complicated. The impact of tariffs is multifaceted and varies across different sectors of the economy. Some argue that certain industries like washing machines saw a boost. These industries benefited from reduced competition from foreign manufacturers, but others, like farmers, got caught in the crossfire of a trade war. Retaliatory tariffs from other countries hit American agricultural exports hard, and consumers ended up paying more for everyday goods. The increased costs of imported materials and products were often passed down to the average shopper. The truth is, tariffs are a blunt instrument. They are not a precise tool and can cause more harm than good if not implemented carefully. They can have unintended consequences. The ripple effects of tariffs can disrupt entire supply chains and economic relationships, like, pissing off our trading partners and sparking global instability. Whoops! The global economy is interconnected, and actions like these can lead to significant diplomatic and economic fallout. So, if tariffs aren't the silver bullet, what is? The answer isn't simple, and it certainly isn't one size fits all. Well, there's no easy answer. It's a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. But it starts with a commitment to American manufacturing, to innovation, to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, to investing in our workforce. This means not just providing jobs, but creating opportunities for growth and development. We need to train people for the jobs of the future, jobs that require new skills and new ways of thinking, not just how to assemble a product, but how to design it, program it, and fix it. This is about creating a workforce that's adaptable and resilient. We need to support small and medium-sized businesses, the backbone of our economy. These businesses drive innovation and create jobs. Local universities and government can help small businesses to innovate and help them to achieve world-class quality and meet demand, earning income for all. In cutting-edge technologies that can make American manufacturing competitive again. Technologies that can revolutionize the way we produce goods. Think automation, robotics, artificial intelligence. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the future of manufacturing. This isn't your grandpa's factory floor, it's a new era, and we need to be ready for it. Reviving American manufacturing isn't about nostalgia. It's about our economic security, our national pride, and our ability to compete in a globalized world. It's about creating good-paying jobs for American workers and ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. It won't be easy. It will require a sustained effort from both the public and private sectors, but it's a challenge we can't afford to ignore. The future of American manufacturing depends on it, and so does the future of America.